Hi guys, welcome to ValueSTek. Today we are going to learn how ValueHub Z whiteboard software to help you present your ideas in a quick and easy way. First, it supports 5 different types of pen, and including the smart pen that can transform your handwriting into the typed, and you can use your pen as eraser or select clean. With the magnetic pen we provide, you can write in 2 colors with 1 pen but in different ends. Some shape patterns are here to help you draw a standard shape in a quick way. And of course, you can insert some presentation materials like the picture, the documents, the videos, or you can use your device to scan the QR code and upload some pictures from your device. Can make the annotation. A timer is here to for the brainstorm class quiz, and you can open the browser for instant online search. If you want to collect different viewpoints in a class or the meeting, then you can type the topic and choice. Then the participants can scan the QR code to make a choice. And you can see the result. It supports 20 touch points at the same time. But you can also turn off this function to make it into the wander mode. This switch icon here could help you access the setting menu without walking around. Here you can customize the background as you like. And after the class or the meeting, you can save your work by email or by the QR code. Once you start using this whiteboard software, you will find everything will be much easier to handle. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more details, contact us.